Alrighty. Oh my god, this is so cute. I almost have like a script down, but I like stopped halfway because I started rambling. But a lot of this is gonna be off of memory, and if I add anything, it'll be through video and through text. Let's get started. Okay, you ready? This is gonna poke your eye out, bro. How about I put your, hold on. I'm being a mom right now. Right there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be telling you guys and showing you guys what Chris and I have been working on for the past month and a half. Chris and I have been working on making over the kitchen slash living room area of the basement. So a little bit of backstory, I've been living in this house for 23 years and we've always had tenants in the house. The basement was the perfect setup for a second unit. We used to have tenants living here and then I took over when I was in high school and we still rented out to some tenants. They started using the kitchen upstairs and it started becoming a little more crowded, so my parents have decided to use the kitchen down here for a bit of time. Earlier this year, we were told that our final tenant is going to be leaving at the end of October. So that means my parents are using the kitchen upstairs again and we can finally have this space for ourselves. I hope that makes sense. But I'm super grateful. We pretty much have like a basement apartment. So spacious and perfect for the both of us. 3 of us. Sorry, we have a third. To start off, we started collecting secondhand furniture, I want to say around June, and we've been storing most of it at Chris's mom's place. In the before videos, you could tell that there was just a lot of furniture pieces that was storing items that we didn't really need. So knowing that, we knew we were gonna get rid of a whole bunch of things that were not needed. Dining room table, we were gonna get rid of a lot of shelving and just like extra counter space that my dad built. The refrigerator was on a different side of the room, which made the space feel very small. We knew that we wanted to return the fridge back originally where it was. With what we had, it could fit within the cabinets here. And then we started the process of just making over everything. Labor Day weekend is when we cleared things out. We brought some stuff back upstairs. We did a whole bunch of prep to the cabinets and we started painting. Everything, cleaned all the cupboards. Now we're seeing if our fixture is gonna fit on one of these. We know that we might wood fill, but let's see. Oh yeah. It looks good though, look at that.
You want to show off all the bling that you got? They're all covered in paint.
We're at Home Depot again. Very early in the morning. We're gonna look for pictures and some nails. Oh yeah! Tile has been here since I could remember.
What tile?
This tile.
I couldn't wait.
I've hated this. Hated this because it sticks out. Like, why is it here? See, the rage room was setting us up for this.
You're in the polite room. You were like so gentle.
I'm a gentle person, what can I say?
Look guys, she's using a crowbar to take off caulking.
Chris was the one who suggested it, okay?
Not this part.
Oh.
The tile.
Okay, it's a pretty tile, but it's, if it was like not, oh, it's like a puzzle piece. If we, well, if it was all this tile, like that would have been so fun. But it's not all this tile. I don't know whose idea this was.
You started it for so long, you don't remember how it goes together.
Yeah, and it's done. It's gone.
One tile changes it all.
I don't know.
In the pots?
She was in the pots. Good morning. We're gonna do a light sand, then I'm gonna fill it again, and then we're gonna prime and paint today. that whole weekend and that whole week after, we were working on the kitchen area. We added the new handles, added some storage, which I really love. I love the pull-out storage that we have. The weekend after I came back from my work trip is when we started painting areas that we knew we needed to repaint. Some ceilings had like green on them, which was like my choice when I was 12 years old. We repainted it white. We painted over some tile where the fridge was gonna go back. We have officially painted this section. Used to be very green, and then painted that used to be very green as well. And then we're finally getting rid of the tile. Contact paper on the countertops, and then we're gonna tile with the press-on, stick-on tiles. We installed all the black hardware and it looks really good. I installed these pullouts, which are amazing. We have so much more room. I just returned one of the corner pullouts that we had, didn't fit. So that went by smoothly, but I have to figure out what to do with this corner. We filled everything up with like all our stuff. Plates and stuff are still here. We're so close to being done this area, and then we could finally focus on the living room area, and then we'll be good. Get rid of these shelving. I'm gonna get rid of this. Anyways, let's get to painting. Woo! Move the fridge back to where it belonged. Cleared some things out. Oh wow, so nice.
If you put the inventory shelf, the case
Yeah.
shelf here, it's literally like right here to there.
Oh.
Like there's no gap.
Oh. Nobody here.
I don't mind if you can put the, is it called ottoman, right? Ottoman?
Oh, the credenza.
Credenza. See,
Yeah.
I don't fucking. Ottoman goes there, no problem.
Yeah.
But if the couch has to go this way, then ottoman, whatever. Credenza goes here.
Okay.
Because
then-
you can't do it there because the fucking.
Yeah, I know. Well, then the inventory can go here, no?
If the couch goes this way?
Yeah.
No, because you're gonna be blocking the window.
Hmm.
Is sweeping allowed at this time?
Huh?
Is sweeping allowed?
Apparently not. Oh. Oh. We're almost done for the night. We put the kitchen island up and we started storing some stuff there. Here's the island and watching the summer turn pretty. Alrighty, it's installed. Obviously these lights are gonna be removed, and then we just have to do backsplash and countertops. And then later that week we were working on countertops and wrapping that up. We will eventually replace the peel and stick, but as for now it works and it makes it really look nice from afar. We also worked on the backsplash the weekend after that, and that was a really fun project and it looks so good. It ties everything together. Amazing. So just a recap of what we've done so far. We painted the cabinets, we added new pullouts. This used to be bright green. This area that also used to be green, and then just wanted to get rid of the whole tile here. I set up the kitchen island, which is originally from IKEA. We're still unsure about this because the ceiling is pretty short, so we don't know yet. We might take it out. Thursday night, we started the contact paper on the kitchen counters. Last night, we just finished the whole tiling backsplash. The tile is finally gone, which is amazing. Next weekend, we're planning to get the furniture from his mom's place because that's where we've been storing everything. Oh, okay.
Not Hargate? Okay. Oh! Higher.
It's the highest.
That's the highest?
Yeah. Pretty much the kitchen was ready to go, so that meant the whole living room area was going to be made up and rearranged and everything. So that was super exciting. Move-in day. Move-in day. We're just waiting for Marv, and I think Abby's coming as well. But the boys are gonna do the heavy lifting. Everything is good so far. Got that. Here comes the credenza! Yay. In my previous vlog, I showed that we got a couch that unfortunately did not fit at all coming down here. It's such a beautiful couch. It's very velvety and corduroy. It was so perfect and comfortable.
Fuck this couch.
Fuck this couch.
Comfy ass motherfucking couch.
Comfy. It's so comfy.
Why are you guys making us love it?
Oh.
But it just did not fit the space, and even if it did, it would have been way too long. So we decided to put that up for sale. We already had an idea of our backup couch, and that is the IKEA Kivit couch. And we went for the love seat. The great thing about this was we got this couch for $50. We ended up getting some new covers for it, which was great. There's nothing wrong with it. We steamed everything, we cleaned everything, and then we put on some new covers, and it is perfect. We kept in the theme of the corduroy, so I'm really happy with it. We have the infamous Anetri shelf. I think it's pretty popular with people who like postmodern. We kind of went crazy with the Anetri shelves. The person that sold us this shelf for a very decent price, because some people are just like bringing up that price for no reason. He actually found a similar shelf in the dump, but it did not have the crossbar. And then we ended up also buying another one to see if we could sell it. I don't want to talk about it. Beside that, near the entrance, we have another IKEA vintage shelf. It has our bar area, we have some knickknacks on it, and it also has our games. We got the credenza. It was one of the first pieces that we got secondhand, and it's just in such good shape. To the gallery wall, just put this up and it just tied in the whole space together. I love the way that it looks. We chose some really nice posters, and the posters are from Postura. The frames are a mix from IKEA and Walmart. Of course, we have an espresso poster because that's where the espresso machine is gonna go, and our little coffee bar area. And then I got a replica Barcelona chair for $75, again off Facebook Marketplace. These are going for like $300 to $400, so it was definitely a great find. I love this piece so much. I think it's a really nice statement. We have an IKEA coffee table. People are selling this for almost the same price as what's in store, but they live across the city, so it just didn't make sense to get it from them or buy it secondhand. The rug is also from IKEA. People are selling the rug, but they're not selling the size that we need, which is unfortunate. It ties the whole space together, and it's so cozy here, and I just hang out here all the time. I literally work here. I think this space was definitely needed, especially when Chris has nights and I want him to sleep. He'll stay in our room, and then I could just chill here and do whatever. I really love how this space turned out. We love it, and I love spending time in here. Next up, I would definitely love to do something about my office desk area. We moved my desk into where the gym used to be. We took that down because we weren't using it anymore, and we definitely needed a space for when Quincy was going to be living with us, and now he has that half of the room and it suits him perfectly. I really love this space, y'all. Like, I've been watching so much Alexandra Gator, and I just love people who do like interior design in Toronto. Like, it's just so fun. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the space. I'm super excited to like be in here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.